Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In this series of videos in which uh, we show how you can make use of your Excel expertise to effectively manage your channel. If you are a content writer, if you are a channel runner on the YouTube, so you have a dashboard, and in the dashboard, uh, uh, you get all these indications. That means how many subscribers so far you have been, and what is you in last 28 days there are 4 new subscribers, and what else, and there and when you go to the analytics, it further uh, gives you a real-time count of the real-time status. And in our today's we are focusing on this last 48 hours, right? Last 48 hours, that means the 2 days, right? 24 hours make one day, 48 hours make 2 days, right? So what should we do to see? Just suppose we have a query in our mind that when was the time when we had the maximum of the last 2 days thing. At the moment, it is very low. Okay, so it is 53. When was that time when we had the highest number for the last 48 hours? So since you have learned the Excel and you have the expertise, so it shouldn't be a big deal. So let's go to for the first step is that we make it a lifetime, right? Okay, fair enough. And then we download, mm, right? In the lifetime, right? And then we go to the C mode, yeah. C mode, on the C mode, you have the download, right? And it is telling you the lifetime status and of different tabs, right? So we are focusing on the, for example, the dates, right? Dates tell you how many views on a particular day, right? And let's make a download. Let's go to the export this view to the Google Sheet, right? Google Sheet is created, okay? So this is going to give you the data on which all these analytics are depending, right? So you have these are the table data date-wise and how many views were there, okay? So using the Excel formula, we can uh, write and figure out that when was the highest. So let's first of all download this into the Excel, and once it is saved, we will get a message here, yeah, and we will open the location here, and we are going to open the sheet. Okay, okay. So now you have plenty of data here, and and we do the enable editing. Okay, so these are the views. The total is coming on the top. That's fine. So what we do is we put the screen saving in here, freeze the screens, right? It's a freeze, so that we know that when it goes to scroll down, we know we are in which column, right? Okay, okay. So these are the estimated revenue. These are the average duration, watch hours, and views, right? So our query is that we want to know when was it was the highest. So what we do is that equal to, hmm, okay, equal to uh, this plus this, right? So at this point of time, it was 48 on the 9th of on the 10th of December. On the 10th of December, it was this. So it's better instead of writing in here, let's make it here equal to this plus this. Okay, so these are the 48 hours. Right? We make heading here 48 hours, 48 hours. Sorry, 48 hours. Okay, 48 hours. It has 40. It has 48. Okay, okay, and here and we double click on it. So this is 41. Yeah, you can check it. This is 41. Hmm, Two. Hang on. This is before. Okay, yeah. And the next is 998. That's right. It is 41, right? You can see that it's 41. This is 30. Now, this is 30. That's right. Okay. So when was the highest? Now we are close to our solution of the query, right? So let's go to filter rate, and here we have this information, and the highest is 887. Wonder what was that day? My God, 887 views in last 48 hours. Let's clear the filter, and yeah, so this was the 887. This is the highest, and it was in 2023 November, 30th November, 887. Yeah, so that's why it makes 887. This is the highest. So how many views were there and there? So now we can check it in our dashboard, in our analytics. 29 starting from 28th November to 29th November. Let's filter it and see what was that that caused 887 views, right? So what we do is we go to back to here, and we we change this live from lifetime to here. Okay, so what was it? 28 and 29, is it? It was 20. What is it? My Excel. Yeah, this. Yeah, this is 28 and 29, right? Yeah, 28 and 29 was making 887. 28 November and 29 November. Okay, so let's make it 28 November, 28, 2023, and and November 29, November 29, 2023. Okay, so here we are going to check that what was something special in that period that caused the maximum number of views. Right? Okay, this was 28 and 29. Okay, 20, no, not 2015. Hang on, please change it now. 2023. Yeah, 2023. Yeah. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, 28 and 29. So these were the total of the views. 28 and 29, not November 18. I'm saying there has to be, not 28. It is 28 and 20. Okay, so we say apply. So this is our desired query in action. And now we want to see the contents. What were those contents causing the maximum views in our history, right? So these were the contents. That makes 887. This is the breakdown of all this. And the maximum were the sale order. This was the highest, right? In just 48 hours. So these views were uh, gathered, and they came to our channel. There are 32 views on this video, and 31 views on this video, 10 views, and this, and so on. So this is the complete detail of the views you had. This was the maximum. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we have the dashboard, and we have to analyze it. And there are plenty of, we can use our expertise in Excel to efficiently manage our channel by filtering the data, querying the data, and then making the right decision that what makes to draw more attention of the audience. Okay, thank you very much for watching.